I promise you guys, this is the simplest, most safe way to improve the driving experience of your BMW. Let's dive into this. In the box, we'll find the safety guide and of course the OBDeleven V2 device. With this unique device and only a one-click app on your phone, you have a diagnostics tool right in your pocket. OBDeleven V2 is a proper, safe tool licensed by BMW themselves. It doesn't stop with diagnostics, so stick around. You simply plug in the OBDeleven V2 device into the OBD2 port of your BMW, pair it to your phone and start the diagnostics. Diagnostics not enough? Try modifying comfort features or the unique looks of your BMW with one simple click. Tired of your start-stop system being retained every time your engine turns off? Fix it. Get the default driving mode you desire with OBDeleven. Do you want to close the trunk lid on the key with one simple press? Get it now. Activate easy entry for the steering wheel. Folding mirrors, park safely and look cool. Tired of your iDrive animation? Fix it. One side marker lights? Get them. Tired of your instrument cluster logo? Change it. Tired of your sports display and its colors? Change them. Welcome lights? Get them. All of this is possible with this licensed tool from OBDeleven and credits. The OBDeleven device can be bought as standalone diagnostics tool and with packages of 100 and 500 credits. The credits allow you to activate several features on your BMW. Features are priced differently. Most of them come in at only 10 credits. So if you want to improve the driving experience of your BMW, you can do a lot of things with very few credits and your OBDeleven V2 device. The device can be bought separately, so can credits. So if you want a cheap, easy to use and safe diagnostics tool that's licensed by BMW, or you want to improve the features of your BMW, OBDeleven V2 is for you. Get it now on Schmiedmann.com.